Hi boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is CK and my channel is Ecology. If you're new here, I take my viewers all around the world to see and explore. And today I am in Kuching Boat Club. This is the Kuching Boat Club, and this is where all the rich people park their boats and their yachts. The rich, the soon to be rich, I don't know, but this is where they park all their boats. And we're at the mouth of Santubong River. And did you know that Kuching has wildlife and dolphins? So I've been to the Kinabatangan River, and that was an amazing trip. So I'm just so hooked on seeing wildlife, and especially on river cruise. So you just sit there, you don't have to do much. So today I've signed up for the dolphin watching tour here in Kuching. And we're gonna see some dolphins, and we probably will see other wildlife, the wetlands of Santubong area, and I'm very excited. The weather is looking pretty okay, and and I hope to see, Kuching Sarawakian dolphin. Who knows, there were Sarawakian dolphins here. So I'm gonna get on the boat. They're waiting for me, so let's go. Hello, and that's my tour guide, Anthony. So I'm going to tell you the legend of Santubong and Sejinja. I'm trying to remember what you told me, Anthony. So there was a legend that these two mountains are female giants.
Female sisters.
Female sister. Oh, they were sisters. So
and they were princesses.
They were princesses. And Santubong likes to weave, so she weaves all day.
Yeah.
And Sekinjan likes to nail things.
Mortar and pestle.
Pastel things. So they were two female giants. But they fell in love with the same man, which is the Prince Serapi, which is another mountain. So they fell in love with Prince Serapi. So they got jealous, and then they competed for the attention of this prince, and they would start throwing at each other. It was intense, right? So so Santubong got thrown into the nose by Sekinjan, and that's why she had a swollen nose. And that's why if you look at Santubong, she kind of looks like she has a swollen nose. As Sekinjan was being thrown at, and as a result, her top was cut off, and Sekinjan now looks like a flat hill in comparison to Santubong. So that's the legend of Santubong and Sekinjan. Did I tell it well?
Yes. Siblings ought not to quarrel with each other.
Yeah, moral of the story is don't quarrel with your sister or your brother, or else you'll get defaced. Gujarat traders comes here as far as the 9th century.
Yeah. And we have found artifacts here
Huh?
suggesting that they what do you call it? They melted iron. We have found artifacts, and we have found iron
Here?
fountains. Yes, and those at the base of that mountain.
At the base of the mountain, you found those artifacts.
Yes. And those artifacts are still there, and some are at the Sarawak Museum.
Wow.
Which seems to suggest that
There's
traders during that
tradings,
time
yeah.
already
Come to Kuching.
And in case, for your information, the first capital of Sarawak was actually Santubong.
Really? I thought it's been Tulu. I always thought it's been Tulu. Also, Santubong was a town,
Yeah.
and it was the
the
first
first
capital of Sarawak. Let's see if there's any activity for the dolphins to appear. You said the species name is Orca ella revirostic. So it's a short, big, little orca is the species English name, and they are very shy. They only appear very few seconds on the surface, then they dive down, unlike other dolphins. And they are, I think, less than 5 feet, around 5 feet. So they are tiny, smaller compared to their other cousin species. And you really need a very good eye to spot them because they only appeared just a few seconds. Just a few seconds. That's it. You can actually take an evening night tour, and this is where the fireflies will appear.
See these trees with the long French bean looking thing?
Yeah.
That's called the rhizophora.
Uh-huh.
It is the tree with that extensive root system that you see there.
Oh my god. Oh wow, this is cute. It looks like a...
It looks like a baby, yes. I don't want to take the bigger one.
Yeah, but what I mean is, it looks like something you can give to your girlfriend. Right? It's very cute. Huh?
You can knock people on the head with it actually.
Yeah, but I mean like it's you know... Should I throw it in the water?
Yeah. So what happens is, when you throw it in the water, right? It will sink, but then the natural buoyancy in the river here, in the plant itself, will make it float by itself like this. Then it will embed. So it will float.
Bye-bye.
Rhizophora is a Greek word meaning root bearer.
Root bearer in Greek.
In those woods there. Right? Appearing right in front.
Yes, I see it. There's the crocodile. Crocodile. Oh my god. There it is. It's a small one.
Yeah.
It's a small one. But that's enough one could see him. Oh, so they install electricity by using the submarine.
Yeah,
Cable.
the mainland is just over the tree line from the Marine. That's the mainland. And then both electricity and water are supplied that way.
So the villages are Muslim Bidayu?
No,
Muslim?
The villages are all Malay Muslim.
Malay Muslim. Oh, okay. Malay Muslim. Sarawakian Malay Muslim. This is a Muslim village. I don't see a mosque though.
No, the most the masjid there was demolished recently, and they're going to rebuild.
Are they gonna rebuild a new one? Oh, it's a cute fishing village. There's someone passing by. Jellyfish! Jellyfish! Oh my god! Oh my god, this jellyfish!
Okay. Yeah.
Wait.
You want to feel it?
Oh my god, yes!
Yeah.
Hold on.
You can feel it.
Oh, the jellyfish! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah. So these are edible, yeah?
It's edible?
Yeah, it's edible. This is the edible kind.
Oh, they
Right?
are everywhere. There's been instances of attack also right here.
There's another one.
Where?
There. It's between the two leaves there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's going down.
Where's the other one?
The other one is, you see straight where my hand is pointing.
We are very close. So boys and girls, I am so sorry. There are no dolphins to be found. I am so sorry. I know the title of this video. I know what's expected, but we looked everywhere. We turned around. We looked everywhere, but nevertheless, I had a fantastic time. The weather was perfect, very calm water, and look at that view. Isn't that spectacular? Look at that view, right? So I saw few crocodiles, and I still enjoy the whole trip. So I hope you do. But I did found some pictures.
Oh, yes.
Like they are very shy. They only appear in the surface split second. So it's they are very elusive and very difficult to find them. But I do have a lot more videos of Sarawak if you would like to watch. This is a video that I did for the Borneo Cultures Museum. The Borneo Cultures Museum, absolutely fantastic. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe, and please buy me a coffee. buymeacoffee.com/Seacology is where you can buy me coffee. I'll see you in my next video of Sarawak. Bye bye.